Okay, good morning. It's Thursday, March 2nd, 6:05 a.m. On the calendar overnight, there was some good numbers out of Europe, and so that put a pause on the E-mini, of course, that vertical climb. We are resting on the prior closes, and here below is the 38.2, the 50, the 61.8 Fibonacci areas. Our first level of support really is sitting right above that pivot point and below the 38.2. So this will be the target for that retracement to come down to, and then the trend continuation off of that strong move. A 100-point move yesterday. They called it in the morning too. They sure did. They sure did. So just park your buy lots inside a part of this lava flow and just take it. And on the smaller time frame, you can see we are in that retracement, so it's not the time to jump back in. Here was the lava flow. This is my bloodhound template, and it will get you in automatically at these levels. So you just set it and forget it. Just jump in and ride it to the top. Just unbelievable, fantastic trade opportunities. So the inflection's long and reversals long, and or just super trend long, and that way you'll know when to sit out of the market. Just let your software get you back in. A couple of things to note on the platform: to add an instrument that you're not used to trading, it's super simple. You just right click and add new strategy. I added the Canadian dollar just in case their GDP numbers coming out, and their prints historically have been a little bit diverse. So that means that from 2.02 to 0.6. So there's probably some room for some movement, I would say, opportunity for some pop on that number. So I've got it up just in case. Crude is taking a leg down this morning. It has been not the easiest of trades lately. Gold also is taking a nice leg down. And below its previous value areas, which is, quite natural. Here is the lower boundary, and I can put a VWAP on that also. My VWAP indicator is fantastic to provide these levels. Let me show you. See, marks the chart. That's exactly why this is bouncing here. I've got a double confluence with the volatility with the upper VWAP. So here's your lower VWAP and the third lower area. So these are the two locations to trade down to. This coincides with this lower band, so there's a triple confluence here also. So that looks like if we get another push down, that this is probably where the market will want to go. Maybe, judging if the market is going to be going to these VWAP extensions or not. But that's Steve over at High Tech. He's got that VWAP indicator. It rocks. Okay. So weekly, daily, 60, 15 to the downside in crude and gold. The yen right now is moving down. Markets are, of course, not as expanded as yesterday. You can't expect 2 days in a row of 100 points on the P's. So just take it easy today. Canadian dollar at 7:30. We do have a jobs number coming out at 7:30 also. Initial jobless claims. They're expecting 243 or 243. So they're expecting a little bit lower than the previous number. So we'll see if we get a miss or a hit. And that might slow up this volatile move also, making it more choppy and not as likely to continue. But right now, I mean, balls to the walls, right? All green all day. Just, throw your five lot position in there and just, surf all the way up. Don't even move it. So, watch out for the control center. Any unrealized profits that are sitting in there and you disable it, those disappear. So we'll have to have a chart up also running a strategy so that you can manage that strategy through the Ninja control panel and exit it without losing those unrealized gains. Okay, thank you so much, and y'all have a good day. We'll talk to you soon. Take a look at the website disclaimer real quick, as trading is very risky and you can lose everything in your account, and the hypothetical performance language. Thank you.